great story teaches us the same lesson. Together is better. The force that drives evolution is the collective power, the union of values, efforts, visions, and joint work. And that is how Integrada continues to write its history, through the values of togetherness, integration of society, agriculture, and sustainability. More than 2 decades ago, the connection of a few farmers started a journey on a path of sweat and prosperity, always keeping a vision for the future with sustainable actions in the present. Naturally, like the growth of a plant that requires attention from selecting the right seeds, supporting the development of roots, and caring for its growth, Integrada has also grown. What once were 28 dreamers, today are thousands of families connected by the power of togetherness. Always valuing people, joining forces, and aligning common goals so that individuals can prosper as a society. When it comes to evolution, Integrada dedicates efforts, investments, develops strategic partnerships, and promotes innovation. After all, together, we can find the best solutions. Our team of collaborators is at the farmer's side, looking for new ways to create value and help in the day-to-day farming and the profitability of an entire ecosystem. Yes, our plants impress by the robustness and modernity of their machines. But the true strength of our work lies in those people who turn gears in the right direction. The hard work of farmers who go through sun, rain, heat, and cold need a specific destination, which is why Integrada invests in relationships, services, and structures to receive and store grains and fruits and distribute wealth all over the world. Together, we sustain the strength that moves Brazil toward its best performance. We combine the best crop productivity with quality food on the table of thousands of families around the planet. Together, we create value for members, employees, customers, and the community. Together, we cooperate for a better future. Integrada Cooperativa Agroindustrial, the strength of togetherness.